What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. To all my return subscribers, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. If it's the first time you're coming across this channel, guys, don't be afraid to become a part of the family. Just click that red button. I would appreciate it too. So guys, today I'm doing a cucumber salad. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here I have a cucumber, a purple onion, white onion, red sweet pepper, and green sweet pepper. So here I wash my cucumber, slice them up in small slices and place them in a dish. So now I wash and cut up my purple onion, my white onion, my red sweet pepper, green sweet pepper. So now I am going to place it in the dish with the cucumber. So stay tuned, guys. So here I have my basil, guys. I wash and cut up my basil. So guys, if you haven't subscribed as yet, subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, share me out if you can, tell a friend to tell a friend. I would appreciate it too. So now I had my basil to my cucumber, my purple onion, red onion, my red sweet pepper, and green sweet pepper. So stay tuned, guys. Here I have my ingredients. I will be using mayonnaise, black pepper, and complete seasoning. So here I have the mix of mayonnaise, a dash of complete seasoning, and a dash of black pepper. So I mixed everything together, and there you have my cucumber salad. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, click that post notification bell. Bye guys, see you in